Hi everyone! In our last video, we learned how to crack personality code. Now it's time to take your skills to the next level. Imagine being able to identify someone's personality type, anticipating their strengths and weaknesses, and decoding their behavior within seconds. Welcome back to Connect Within TV. Did you know that the 16 Myers-Briggs type indicator personalities can be grouped into 4 powerful categories, each with its own set of strengths and weaknesses? Get ready to ignite the flame as these 16 types include everything from the charming ENFPs to the quiet and mysterious INFJs. These personalities are sure to spark excitement and interest. It's time to shine the spotlight on all these incredible personalities. Let's begin with our first group, the analysts. The cluster of 4 curious and analytical minds: architect, logician, commander, and debater. They are also known as the behind the scenes champions of the corporate world. They crunch numbers, make smart decisions, and predict what's next. These sharp thinkers are known for their clever ideas. Logic, reason, and evidence are the analyst's domain. They navigate complex situations with the compass of their logical mind. Where others see chaos, they see patterns. We see numbers and they see stories. But what fuels their curiosity? Let's find out the code of each type and see if you are one of them. As we jump into their magical world, we will begin with our first type, INTJs. That stands for Introverted, Intuitive, Thinking, Judging, also known as the architects. INTJs are the mental masters who use brain power and clever ideas to get the job done. They are the Einstein of the personality world. INTJs are master planners and they have the ability to think several steps ahead of the game. They see the big picture and navigate complex systems easily. They are the authors of their own story, from scripting scenarios to directing the plot. They do everything. They love analyzing patterns and finding connections. They direct life's complexities with CEO level expertise and optimize relationships and resources for maximum impact. INTJs are independent thinkers. They love solving the problems without needing the support. They are like, I'll just figure it out myself. Thanks. They'll even tell you that they can plan your life for you and you can save your thanks for later. INTJs play life's chessboard, except instead of pieces, they move people and events to fit them in their design. With their super fast thinking and clever ideas, they are always one step ahead of the game. Their keen analytical minds allow them to seamlessly prepare for future possibilities. INTJ's independence and self-motivation drive them to achieve their goals. They love science, facts, and logic because it's like a puzzle to them. They enjoy analyzing data, identifying patterns, and drawing conclusions. It's like solving a mystery. They are like, your opinion is cute, but let me show you the research proof. They are the ultimate curious learners. It's like why, how, what if. They are constantly seeking to understand the underlying mechanisms, the logic, and the reasoning behind things. And when they learn something new, they are like, oh wow, now I got it. They love to teach, mentor, and share their knowledge with others. It's like, I have figured it out, and now it's my duty to enlighten you. They are not afraid to speak their mind and challenge the status quo. INTJs are also known for their dry sense of humor and sarcasm. These guys are basically just explaining why they're right. They're not even trying to be funny, they're dead serious, but somehow they're still ridiculously funny. INTJs view every problem as an opportunity in disguise and every possibility as a challenge to be accepted and conquered. They value independence and autonomy in their relationships and yet crave for deep and meaningful connections. However, they often struggle with building and maintaining interpersonal relationships. They can outshine in careers that involve finance, economics, and scientific research. They also possess leadership qualities, creativity, and a vision to excel in entrepreneurship. While INTJs are extremely good at logical thinking and planning, but they often struggle with expressing their emotions and understand others' feelings. In order to grow fully, they need to tap into their emotional intelligence to balance their intellect with kindness and empathy. This means being aware of their own emotions and learning to connect with people on a deeper level. By doing so, INTPs can make smarter choices, harness their natural leadership abilities, and grow both personally and professionally. Now, let's move towards our second type of the analyst group, INTP, which stands for Introverted, Intuitive, Thinking, Perceiving. They are known as the rebels of the intellectual world. INTPs are the ultimate thinkers, driven by an insatiable curiosity and a quest for knowledge. INTPs love exploring new ideas and finding creative solutions. They have a passion to understand how things work and they use evidence based rationality to challenge established theories. They are not afraid to challenge existing systems and explore alternative solutions. They have an ability to think outside the box. With their divergent thinking, they often show up with original ideas by connecting things together that do not seem related at first. You might catch an INTP in a heated argument, debating big questions with friends, exploring complex ideas, and sharing their unique perspective. They are not interested in winning the argument to prove their point. They hunt for objective truth. They seek to understand things as they truly are, not as they wish them to be. Fearless INTPs are daring enough to dive into the unknown, shatter boundaries, and emerge with groundbreaking facts and figures. They pursue truth passionately and challenge conventional wisdom. Well, who needs a boring human communication when INTPs can convey their entire message with a single, perfectly timed eye contact and a playful smile? INTPs are known as straight shooters, where brutal honesty is served hot and fresh. If you ask an INTP for their opinion, ask at your own risk and be prepared for some serious real talk. They will tell you the hard truth, not the comfortable lies you want to hear. They communicate in a unique dialect where 90% is sarcasm and 10% silently judging your logic. Their narrow eyes can leave you question everything, and if you cannot handle that, well, that's totally your problem. INTPs often struggle with emotional intimacy and commitment and can be detached when feelings get too real. They appreciate space and flexibility in relationships and often respond in logical distance with a touch of humor. INTPs come across as aloof or even insensitive at times, not because they do not care. It's just that they struggle to navigate the complex world of emotions. Understanding others' perspective is a big challenge to them. They flourish in analytical roles and outperform in fields of science, software, engineering, philosophy, research, and consultation. Well, thanks to their free spirited nature, they enjoy a flexible schedule and autonomous work environment. They easily get lost in their own thoughts, overanalyzing every detail and possibilities. However, the visionary INTPs need to tackle their emotional intelligence and embrace vulnerability to overcome emotional attachment and procrastination. Their greatest obstacle is their own mind. By acknowledging and addressing these challenges, they can unlock their full potential. That's all for today, folks. We will pick up again in our next video. Did that resonate with you? What's the most surprising thing you have learned about your personality type? Share your story in the comments below or share it with someone who needs to hear this. Your story can change lives. Subscribe to Connect Within TV and start your journey towards a more self-aware, empowered, and mentally liberal you.